Hi there! Ceiling Outfitters provides ladderless sign hanging solutions that makes the hanging process for eye-catching ceiling and window displays simple, fast, and safe. With the revolutionary click-click magnetic sign hanging system, it is now possible to never again use a ladder or rent a lift. Ceiling Outfitters offers top-of-the-line professional-grade tools needed to quickly hang or change ceiling signs on grid and open beam ceilings. Our click magnets attach to our metal plate adapter when hanging signs from finished ceilings or the aluminum frame of display windows. New to the sign hanging game? Begin with our starter click kits. Click kits are for customers who are ready to quickly, easily, and safely hang ceiling signs using our new and innovative technology. We offer 6 value-price click kits, each meeting unique criteria based on the ceiling height and number of signs to hang. Our kits always include a mag mover, mag pole, click magnets, and loop line. Click kits are available for purchase from the Ceiling Outfitters online store or by phone. Sign Hanging Essentials Kits. And for our installer clients tasked with quickly performing an unannounced sign installation or replacing a missing part, the Sign Hanging Essentials Kit is just what you need. The kit offers a 70-piece assortment of our best-selling hardware in a convenient carrying case, which keeps parts organized, easy to use, and available in a jiffy. Customize your own sign hanging kit. If none of the click kits fit your specific needs, call on Ceiling Outfitters to design a custom sign hanging kit. Once you purchase from Ceiling Outfitters, we make it easy to order additional products through our online store. And best of all, there is no minimum order. To speak to someone at Ceiling Outfitters about your unique requirements, call our sign hanging professionals at 877-866-2545 or email ceilingoutfitters@gmail.com.